je na wenya omampenye kufu adomba sika bebrebe omo papa ne omo abusuafo anya no waba mu na nso omo bu na asan so akwaje Ghana Commercial Bank 2.2 billion wo de na wenya wo ye form of na abusua enya
yo emi say obi besie ti say de bia ye kan wa ha no ye so sa na eti wa ha ye ba ye de adanse die bebrew ye de evidence de bebrew na emi say so many people they trying to defend this act way, you know, I'm trying to choose my words carefully because way the wind of corruption and a blow over Ghana, the wind of corruption. Me share post to be I just didn't capture it because my say is useless. A+. Masa sebi say yangopo aboa mo ama matima to nyom ba ko mienu agidinya na nje se munim yansa che obia o. Don't try to be a hypocrite by trying to satisfy everything. Just say asembia ba mo pese mo de mo anu kabi na ye ka se mo de mo ye neutral. Da bia me ka kire mo obi obe na de so ye neutral bia wo ye hypocrite. O ye obi a na brabo no wo ye motoro mojo won kan kore. You are coming to defend this act. Me mate say NGO since 2014 ya register wa Ghana Consensus of Ghana me call Bank of Ghana Ghana Commercial Bank me pay 1 million Ghana cedi mo de be ma me. You see, you people are just not smart because sometimes you know a tribalism, any partisanship, and no matter what, the A+ is still an MPP guy. Timuna sebi Moon say TPP is coming to it's a formidable force to be a creative, make your way through this politics. They are going nowhere. Look, concept na the TPP no kurano, it make no sense. Concept, you know, it make no sense. We want 1 million votes. 1 million votes, you know. Oba na ukase yentu abama wa na ya ma wo ye demand. Ukase obe ya na ya to ama. Na utuma na wanya obetima chi na tu. The second one they say abanu ko yenya 1 million vote abanu ko by election na ye kwa koto by election e ka two candidate NDC MPP. That time no ma determine who should be the next president because that time no the Macron beba say o ba be pay o mu vote no ma change o mu pay. So abana ko by election so what is the use of TPP? So anko by election. So me a politician na me ba o say me sit down ma me nye ka kwan ma me say ni na maye. You see, you are just not smart. Mu bia ma no bia na mo ke kan se mu hunu. Sebi otego ko so kin Solomon. All these politicians to be continue na say e twa ne ntro e promising heaven and earth omo ba omo nye. Now, you see, let's stay on the topic. Just say, Krone di aseyo, me kame chiram Krone say. So we are gaining 4 more for nana. TNGO no kwaji loan na nhadi. Afe ne beka cha wo say fa collateral bra na anyebia nkola no business be no mo e japade be no mo wa o mo de kwakoto collateral kra e wo bank agi loan ye sika. But you see ignorant ones, they are trying to defend this crime. They're trying hard to defend the crime. Lordina Mahama, we were NGO before you could be a president. Again, a manka, I'm fan. Again, a manka, it's your young it's your dream punching neighbor, punching tree. What did when you're gonna need? Sabi, Adriana Paye, and a Lordina Mahama free dream basic form. Musone mu penny phone yankopon dia maye because mun kan kore brabe na kufado ma abo wo mu ne first person muti NGO Ghana o mu NGO no ni ya support the purpose ne say o papa be president ya wo say me sha see schools does me sha say akosi hospitals. Se munu kuha na esi o man nim individually me call Ghana last year me gata keke me kwa prampo ye se me ntro letter mfa ko district assembly na me nje permit me gata keka me kwakopra communal labor Miami sika Miami materials Miami area guys aya ma mobilize o mu say yen kwotete gata you say me nko hu stakeholder bi just like that out of the blue ne papa na president ye papa na president itudo ye sha see hospitals tie create NGOs na ye see hospitals. Does that make sense to you? At the hospital a fish and a nkuko buo a chicken cook and yet be one monitor the activities. Agency ben a monitor the activities said a bear or more embezzle sikana ye bet me action or muscle. Sebi your suffering for $1 million Corona associate free. Akufa de so mayen jelino. Akufa de so manin tria scano. Ono krampo kra wonye ne busuani ana menka de say ne ba ne yemba na jankroma mo na obema ya jeli wo mo. Odi etena ho na ye form of fanana. Simple question. Odi ye form of 4 years. E die no wanyama obra. A dear potty tangible, a life sustaining. Wanyama, you are killing yourself. Muhuni Kureno Kura Munka, and a year pushing a Kureno closer to war, to chaos. A Yakufado ma a Makofa picture. John Dramani Mahama, yes, nebani a footballer, wajina kahu, etomudi enwaba. You are sick. You are ignorant. Sebi nyansa bo mutse juso aba akoko. Papa ya kromfua, arrest the father. Anamuni, you don't understand governance ana. John Dramani Mahama ene sebi. Wo wiada na skei na wo de command ma, na wo ye bibia in their names, Ghana ntimi njis adeni through omunsemo. John Dramani Mahama na yedi kwadu ana sobo abono no. Wono na yeje firi no wonti woni bia no akodem. Enti ya beka kire mu say if John Dramani Mahama is a thief, the way you painted him when you were in opposition, you know. Constitution Article 8, Chapter 8, Article 57 say President, the very day a president receives free power to the next 3 years, you know. You will have every right to drag the person to court. Nana Akufo-Addo, 2016 manifesto, page 34, or catch us oba, what the Mahama members of cabinet beko court. Again, watching. Just a modi sebi tribalism, any shallow mindset, mind no maduru no so to say akoko de. It is Akufo-Addo aban we mu adeboni bi esia na makofo de bi anyanse bi enim na mo de ba. Nyanse nim anamunso mu ka no monim agimi. Mahama eye papa anka ye nyine mfiri wo, so to say, because they said me hu se Mahama ye papa. Years back no anka Mahama ye papa de wa mu penti Mahama kire no anka Mahama ye maya anka ye nyine mfiri wo. Nobody is above the law. It is a Mahama Fuma. Go and attack, go and arrest Mahama. But that will not prevent us from facing you squarely and telling you the truth. Akufo-Addo ma omuye wanya, omu papa opposition, brabe no mabo, ejubabe no omuye. Yemu biye me mati NGO. Anamika is a biye organization with fear na Akufo-Addo ni power. I don't know my maybe. Say, who could register the Anyashe? Concerned citizens of Ghana. Ma register of Ghana. A pressure group. But sebi. Ube we ignorant ni compums. No mu on social media. No mu chonko sasa. No mu chantro. Mu frem mu se mu yen kremofuo. Some ya catch mu say. Ya waha. Na ya say. Akaini ana asentinika say dan duruwa when didi watamo say dan duruwa. Now we are waiting for you. We are following you. We are keeping dockets on you. Mo fra mo nkremofo mo sori a ade a enya no kra no kwa na mo kire. Eno kwa na mo ka ho asem. Na kro ne de ebobo. Ana asem nka no say kro ne de amanfo bebro ba bi bebra chebi. ebi omo be bre acha ebi mo de mo fa mo tuno ene mo tribalism ene sebi arrogance ne pride na adokre ma adwene ne makome mu no mo fa ntira wo na mo fa ndi nkwasi asem saa na kuro no bo a ye be hu de obeka Mahama de wonya Ghana ni meboa ye ina ye Mahamo and I'm proud I will say mimi ye Mahamo me manfa nche no enti na de mi ye mi nsuro obia no because mimi ye Mahama no obia hu me but nipa wa Jimmy ena ye nipa ohu se waye bibi na waye mfumso a wonje ne mfumso ntum una wo ye Jimmy for because you are not willing to change but me nya that person no enti this time around ade bia meti bia no I ask reasonable question and demand reasonable answer ade Mahama man ko ji lona anka mo with your stinking attitude and asses no come the bet na mo phone echi e dia kan wase eya na akufado ma na akufado papa na to Ghana meboa annual report mufa annual report mreye o muji sika no 2018 no mufa annual report just 2018 annual report mreye activities o mo yeye meetings o mo yeye minutes o mo chroye sebi nyansa no dodo na no mu nibi okaka na free SHS nonsense why you free ade yenuanum nko school nibi yanchia vacation classes ma omo